slide. Dig that. Ratchet, but she fine. Dig that. I fuck with her vibe. Dig that. I see dollar signs.
All right, guys, we're out here at one of our clients' house.
About to put them down.
About to put down some trees for show. We don't have a work truck today, so we got the work Sonata.
Hey, don't show the.
Oh yeah, he backed into something. You know, but it's okay.
That's what happens when the car goes to the landscaping yard.
Yeah. That's a tall sugar gum right there. Sweet gum, sugar gum, whatever it is. Yeah, that tree's not coming this far. That's the one coming out right there.
45, 48, 50. I mean, this is probably as far as it comes. If you drop it this way too, so we're good.
I'm gonna put it between these two right here.
If we keep swinging too, I mean, even to here, these trees would block it anyway. But even over here, you're not hitting any farther than 50.
I need to basically just try and hit this pine tree. Prime example of what you don't want to do. But that's okay. Say hello to my little friend, Mr. E26. Coming down nice. So this thing likes to make noise all the time. But yeah, we're just getting all these trees cut out for this client. Wasn't getting enough sun down in here, so we're adding on cutting all these trees out, getting rid of them on site. Trying to grow some grass back here, and if you ain't got no sun, you ain't growing grass. So
Josh is sitting in the bucket. Davis, instead of hitting the brake, hits the gas, drives the fucker into the stoop, the stairs, brick stairs at my granddad's house, and almost chops Josh's leg off at the knee with the bucket. And almost chops Josh's leg off at the knee with the bucket.
Little safety. I'm kidding. That guy. Note to self, I gotta get some more batteries for this GoPro. This thing, you run it shooting 4K for a while. That was pretty quick. But anyways, tree jobs are out. Well, back with another day. We're gonna go, I got the mini truck. It's pretty sick. But yeah, gotta go return the excavator and make sure we don't have a coolant problem in this truck. Well, I think I found part of our problem. The cold air intake is coming off, so I gotta put that back on. But coolant, I gotta get a new reservoir on this thing. Ah, she's full. I don't even see that, but it's full. Got this put back on. Maintenance division rolling out for the day. Oh yeah. Gotta get a new diesel for that. That's coming down the pipe. That's why I bought that guy right there. So we can buy them a new diesel. But this is back on. I'm gonna go take this inside and clean it really quick. And it's cleaned up a little bit, but should be fine now. Need to get the engine bay detailed on and some more stuff done. But anyways, off to return this guy. We're at Watsontown Brick right now, and there is a ton of bricks. Ton of bricks. This whole place is just nothing but bricks. But yeah, this is for the wall job we're doing over 5 Points. Mason said they're gonna finish that job today, so we'll check in on it whenever we drop off all the stuff. So. I really don't buy this all the time. I just drink it and fill it up at the house. So. Brick is loaded down. Look at this brick. We're loaded. Ready to roll. Gonna go unload these at the job in 5 Points and then take this back to the shop and let them go pour some concrete today. Tell you one thing, I love diesels. You're about to hear why. Love this truck. But you know, I don't know, business is tough, and I don't know, it's just a fucking grind all the time. Get your balls kicked in all the time. And you just keep doing it, and you don't know why you keep doing it, but you just keep doing it. Constant learning, I guess. I don't know, but it's a whole lot better than doing nothing and playing video games all the time. Wall's going up. They're putting the scaffolding up. Just unloaded all the brick. Got it up there for them to use, and the courtyard's coming along well. They're getting everything built. Got the machine parked up there. But yeah, it's coming along well. Concrete pour now.
Real vlogging?
Yeah, Cindo about to be in that bitch. For No gooseneck, but we'll make it work, baby. up. So we got the pad going down today for a hot tub. They formed it up and tied rebar on it last week. The wall is getting built over in 5 points and looking good, so we got to start game planning some stuff for that. Next thing we have to do, they're gonna go finish the downspout tie-ins over in or near the lake, and then after that, what else we got? Dima's running maintenance with Jacob, and yeah, I don't know, just a bunch of stuff going on right now. I got to go to the pharmacy today, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go do some payroll computer work stuff, which is pretty boring, but that's the plan. Look who it is. Patty, what are you doing? You come to get some lunch? You come to get some lunch, Patty? Yeah? Payroll before pharmacy. Ruby approves. Oh! Yeah. Good thing I have a return.